In addition to quite a few USB and USB-C outlets, along with a wireless charger for your cell phone, the 23 Toyota Sequoia also offers 220 volt outlets with the ability to charge devices at 100 watts when the vehicle is not on and 400 watts when it's on. In today's video, I'm going to give you a quick demonstration on how to do that and show you where both outlets are located. With my YouTube channel, I often have the need to charge various camera battery devices, and so for today's demonstration, I'm going to be charging the battery for my quadcopter. You'll see we've got it plugged in to one of the 120 volt outlets right here, and then the other 120 volt outlet is located right here in the middle row for passengers. So you just lift this little flap up, and we've got our plug-in right there. Now you'll see that it says 400 watts / 100 watt. The reason for that is when the vehicle is on, it's going to produce 400 watts of power. When just the ignition is on and the vehicle is off, it's only going to produce 100 watts of power. Now for my battery, the vehicle does not need to be on, so all we need to do is turn on the ignition. So we're just going to push the power button twice to turn on our ignition. And then over here to the left of the steering wheel, you'll see there's a button right here that says AC 120 volts. Push that so that that light is illuminated. And you'll see now when we go to the rear, this light on the battery pack is charging, letting us know that that is working. So there you have it. That's a quick demonstration on how to use the 120 volt outlets in the 2023 Toyota Sequoia. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. And for more videos of the 2023 Toyota Sequoia, be sure to subscribe. In the meantime, thanks for watching.